Hola Chica, welcome back to Chica Confident TV, your go-to spot to get a little more confidence injected into your life so that you can chase after your passions, turn them into a business, and get them monetized. My name is Morgan Tyner, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you're not new here, then you know I never like to waste time, so we're gonna jump right into today's video. Social media marketing. So social media at its core was designed to be a place that you could connect and build rapport and just network with other people. So that is literally the best way I could tell you to continue marketing with social media. I would say nobody likes to be feeling like they're getting money made off them. I'm sure you feel the same way, I feel that way. So instead of sharing tons of ads that are trying to sell something in particular, just build rapport, be kind, build connections. To me, kindness is the absolute foundation for a successful blogging business. And it's free, organic, and fun to simply drop into someone's DMs with a kind message and just spread love and positivity on the platform. So I'm gonna give you 4 ways you can dive right into your marketing with social media and truly start to see amazing results and growth with your blogging platform. Share others' content. If you go and share others' content, I promise you they're going to appreciate it. I'm not going to say every single person you share's content is going to come back and share all your content as well, but if they have been struggling, that's going to mean the world to them, and I guarantee you the majority of those whose content you share are going to reciprocate. It's totally a win-win, it's a give and take, it's not all take with these types of platforms. Social media is meant for bonding and growth and building amazing connections. So even if you spend 5 minutes a day sharing some content that's meant a lot to you, that's truly educated, inspired you, or both, you are going to see amazing connections start to slowly but surely build with your social media marketing. Interact with others' content. Social media is free. If you simply search a hashtag, maybe if you're a blogger, you search, or if you're a food blogger, search foodie bloggers in, Arkansas, if that's where you live, or California, or Texas. Narrow down your niche and start interacting with all the posts you see within that hashtag. Those people use the hashtags for a reason because they're connected with these topics. Find them, comment on their posts, maybe even share some of those posts. But this is a targeted and strategic way to continue building rapport and genuine connections with others and helping them out in the process, because when it's a win-win, it's going to help you both and you're going to love the connections you've gained from something that's so simple and does not take half a day. It takes literally, like I said, maybe even just 5 minutes to build amazing connections and share, like, and comment on other people's content. Sharing gratitude. Gratitude is a fuel for pretty much every area of life, I believe, but definitely when you're building a blog. Simply telling someone you appreciate them and telling them thank you works wonders. You can literally slide into a DM, not in a weird, creepy way like you're trying to hit on somebody, but slide into their DM and say, hey, I really appreciated when you shared this topic because for this reason it's helped me a ton. The voice memo is an amazing way to really get your information out there and really connect, because platforms like Instagram and Facebook love ranking you higher when you use stuff like voice and video. It's much more engaging. So literally all you have to do is click the voice memo button in your DMs or PMs on maybe Facebook and share a kind message. That message is going to go such a long way, and I promise you that person is going to so much appreciate your gratitude and telling them why you appreciate and how you've received help from their content. Which brings me to my last, 5th, and final tip is share applicable, obtainable content. You do not have to go on for hours and hours about a topic. Even sharing just 3 tips that somebody could use right now today for their business or for whatever industry you're working in with your niche, with your blog. Sharing simple, quick tips is gold mine with social media because people do not want to have to watch videos for hours. When you can intertwine some video and just some easy applicable tips that they can use right now, it's really going to help boost your engagement and overall marketing with your social media. Okay guys, I hope you loved these simple tips that you can start using literally today. These tips have worked really well for me and I know they will for you too. Drop a line in the comments below and let me know how they worked for you or if you have any awesome tips that you've utilized. I love hearing from you. Let's get some positivity and kindness thrown around literally like confetti on this platform. Definitely subscribe if you like videos like this and you want to see more in the future, and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, because if you don't give it a thumbs up, how am I gonna know you liked it, Chica? I will see you in the next video, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Besos.